Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to block downloading and also websites so that in your company you just cannot access downloading and also websites. So let's start. Okay, by default there is no option in the firewall to block like your websites and downloading. You have to install two packages, and to install two packages you have to go at system tab and package manager and click on available packages. Let's see what packages are available. Okay, oh, our ping is also available. I will try this later. So we need to install two packages. These are one squid and squid guard. These two packages we need to install. Okay, this is squid. This one we need to install, and this also. Okay, let's see. You can install nmap also. It's I will check this also. It's a very nice tool to scan network. And also we can install snort. I will try this also. You can also install snort if you want IDS and IPS in your company. But for now we will install squid and squid guard to make a proxy server so that we can block downloading and websites. Just confirm, and then you have to wait here. Okay, now installation has done. Let's install the another package here. Squid guard. But let's check if the package is installed or not. Okay, it's showing here it is installed here. So need to wait more for this package also. It takes time here. Okay guys, installation has done. Now you can go to this package manager and check installed packages here. Now you can see the squid guard has been installed also. These two packages we required to block websites and downloading. This is not required. This is just I have installed for my VMware purpose. After installation of these two packages, squid and squid guard, you will find three new tabs here under services tab: squid proxy server, squid reverse proxy, squid guard proxy filter. Squid is a proxy server. It has main function to do caching and send requests on behalf of clients. But SquidGuard specially made for the web filtering. Uh, you will find here in the Squid proxy server tab, you can also find a tab to filter websites. Like I can show you here: services, Squid proxy servers, ACL lists. So you can see, you can mention blacklist here. Whatever the website you want to block, you can mention here. User agents, you can mention here. MIME types, you can mention here. But if you go to SquidGuard proxy filter, which is specially made for the web filtration, so it is better over this Squid proxy server filtration. So I recommend, I will not use this feature in this. I will use this SquidGuard package. So you can see under this tab, SquidGuard proxy filter, you will see more features. You can categorize your list. You can define a time in which period traffic is allowed and which in which period it is not allowed. So in the you will see in the common ACL you will find here one list is already there after fresh installation of Pfsense. So one list is already there, and after this you have to make your own lists from here, target categories. So SquidGuard is better, and especially for the web filtration. So now let's start. First we need to enable proxy, which is Squid. Here go to Squid here, proxy server, and enable the proxy server, and check this box. If you want to keep the settings remain in case of reinstallation of packages, and proxy interface, definitely it would be LAN. Proxy port, I want default one 3128 as it is mentioned here. ICP port, it is not required. It is required in case of if we have more than one proxy server in network, so that both proxy server can communicate each other and can share cache data. Okay, check this box. It says that if you check this box, it allow every internal subnets to use proxy server. So if you enable this checkbox, every user is allowed to use proxy server. Okay, now this is transparent proxy settings. As you know that if you have a proxy server in your company, then on client machine you have to do proxy settings on browsers like this. Go to connections and then settings. So you have to mention the proxy IP address and proxy port here in every client machine. But if in case if you cannot do proxy settings on client machines and you want that client use proxy servers, then this option is available, transparent mode. If you enable this option, every request coming from client machine to port 80 for destined to port 80, the proxy server like this feature will automatically redirect the request from port 80 to proxy server. So you don't have to do proxy settings in browsers. So the client will automatically go through proxy server, and we don't need these settings now. We don't need this setting now, and we also don't need this enable SSL filtering. I will show you in the later videos. Okay, enable the log. Will we need log? That's it. Save this, and now go to Squid proxy filter and also enable this. We don't require this. This is in case if we have LDAP servers. Log must be enabled. That's it. Save it. Now make sure that services are running. Go to status and services tabs. So now you can see Squid and SquidGuard both are running. So only these settings are required. Now one more thing you want to do here, go to firewall rules, LAN tab. Okay, now like we are not using this transparent mode, sorry this one, we are not using this transparent mode, so definitely we need to configure the proxy settings on client machine so that they can go through proxy. Port number 3128. Suppose if client user has access to eliminate these settings like this, now they can browse internet easily. Suppose if they have access to eliminate the settings, proxy settings, they can access internet. So we must force them to use proxy. So how can we do it? We need to disable this rule first. Go to firewall rules here and LAN tab, disable this rule so that the users should not go from here. I have disabled rules for port 80 for 443. Now you will notice client machines cannot go to internet. Let me again open it. So you see Google's is not opening, Facebook is not opening here, no more. So I want them to go proxy through proxy. So go ahead, enable proxy and click OK. Now close this URL and open this, open Google. Okay, one more rule you want to make, that if any request coming to this proxy server, it must be allowed. And you need to make one rule here. Click add, pass, LAN interface, protocol any, okay, TCP protocol and UDP both, source any, or you can mention LAN address, LAN network, internal network, and this firewall, and port number you can mention 31285. Allow to use. So you have to make this rule. Here you can see. So any request from internal network to firewall on port number 3128 is allowed. Now they can use proxy server. To Google and Facebook, you can see it is opening up now. So the client is this virtual machine is going through proxy server. Sorry, the internet is slow, but you can see it is opening here. Okay, now you can see. So now everything is done properly here, and also here both services are running. You just saw. Okay, now we need to configure the rules and need to make a list to deny uh, websites. Go here, Squidcard proxy filter, and one list is which is default and allowing everything. Just make your our own list here. Click add and name it my block list, any name, and we want to block like Shabdkosh, and one more side we want to block which is Facebook, and one more side we want to block which is msn.com and yahoo.com you can block. So these four websites we will block here. So you can mention a lot of websites here, and you can categorize your lists. Like if you want to block all music sites, then you can mention all music sites here in this section and name it music sites here. And you can also block gambling sites, mention all gambling sites here and name it gambling. And you can also uh, mention all adult sites here and name it adult sites. And also you can mention all job sites here and name it job sites. So you can categorize like this. And once the page is blocked by the proxy server, proxy filter, then you can ask it to immediately after blocking redirect to another page. Like on if you want to redirect to external page, you can do it, and you have to mention the link of the external page also. But now what I'm doing, I'm redirecting it to internal page, and I want message should be appear on the user screen. So you can mention the message here: access denied, please contact your administrator. Okay, now we've saved the rule, and now you have made this list. Now list will appear here in the common ACL. This is the list. Now if you want you can allow it, or if you want you can deny this list. We have mentioned four websites here, I mean we want to deny it. Okay, deny it. And this is below list is already there, we have not created this list. So the below rule, like below list, is allowing everything, but our list, we have created this list and we want to block 4 websites. So it seemed like when we make rule under LAN tab and WAN tab, the firewall will read, like proxy server will read the rules, read the list from top to bottom, and the top list, like rules, will be win. The first list will win over the below list, like this. So now what we need to do, save, and now to apply the settings. Okay, now let's test. We have blocked 4 websites, like msn.com we have blocked. Now you can see the clearly the error message, access denied, please contact your administrator. Let's check yahoo.com. Now you can see yahoo.com so blocked, but we have not blocked. Okay, you can see the, if Yahoo, if you use secure connection, it is also blocked even then. Now you can see, but you will not get any error message due to HTTPS protocol. Now if you see Facebook, we have see that Facebook is also blocked. Now check Shabkush. Now you can see it is also blocked. We have blocked all 4 websites. Now check Google. Now see Google is opening. So this is the way you can block websites simply. You need to just mention the domain name of that website, and then this proxy filter will block all the pages. So you cannot access any page. Like I'm opening Yahoo. So we have this Yahoo page one. Let me check any internal page of Yahoo. Yahoo Answers. So this is Yahoo Answers. If you go here, it is also blocked. So this is a way to block the websites. Okay, one thing more here is, like I'm opening this website Turbo Future, and you can see it is secure connection, HTTPS. So one question, like, is that if my company asks me to, like, block this only one particular page, that is entertainment page, they want to access this website, but they don't want to access this one particular page, entertainment page, and this entertainment folder is under internet folder, and this internet folder is under root folder turbofuture.com. So in this case it's not possible to apply this rule, because this is secure connection. And let me show you why. Let me open this Wireshark. Stop this. Just start the capturing and start the page here. Now stop this. If you go above, you can see here, this is my client IP address 5, and this is firewall address, proxy firewall 100. So we have my client machine establish the connection with the proxy first by three-way handshake, and then after it asking proxy to connect me on turbofuture.com on port number 443. So then below you can see the reply by proxy that connection established, and the connection is secure. So you know, I hope you know that how the handshake happens in case of secure connection. Client hello, server hello, and certificates also exchange of key. So once the connection established, secure connection, then whole thing is encrypted. The whole communication will be encrypted. You can see below package. This is one. You see whole packages whole packet is encrypted, firewall cannot read. So like this, firewall only can block the request by looking at first step. You can see the client is sending the message to firewall, please connect me to this website turbofeature.com. So firewall can block the page from by looking this request, but once the connection established secure connection, the firewall cannot read the packets because the further packets are encrypted. So same like here, once we open the website, connection established, so where we are going in entertainment tab or in security tab, firewall cannot read. So if firewall cannot read, it cannot block. So it is not possible to block a particular page or URL right now, because only I have just shown you how to block websites only. So you can block whole domain, whether it is HTTPS or HTTP, but you cannot block all like one URL in case of if it is secure connection. So company asks to use this website, but they want to block this only one tab entertainment. That is not possible. To block this, you have to block whole domain. So blocking whole domain, it means nothing can, no page is accessible. So how to do this, how to block only one particular page, I will show you in the next videos. So thanks for watching this video.